Tools for navigating between different diagrams and viewing and editing diagram content are located on all four sides of the diagram canvas. Across the top of the canvas, you can toggle between situation models and results chains using the SM and RC buttons. The folder menu allows you to navigate through diagrams within the Marathi project. At the bottom of the canvas, you can also tab through individual results chains or situation model diagrams using the arrows and buttons. Back up at the top of the canvas, at the upper right, you can return to normal view to view the rest of the project content. You can choose to view your diagrams using the new online color palette or the traditional Marathi desktop color palette. And at any point, you can export a snapshot of the current diagram view as a PNG file or as an SVG or vector graphic file.